It's worth it. For sure. You wanna go next? Are you done? Going off a little bit?
Give it about one or 2 minutes to cool down.
You wanna give me an intro real quick for a video?
Yeah. My name's Alex Heppy. I got a 2001 Blazer, 3 custom electric billets, 2 390s for 18 volt, 1 270 for 12 volt. I got 4 SSA Evil 18 V1s on 4 SoundQubed 4500s at half.
Be sure to add me on Jacob Viral on Facebook.
Built by Roth Wismar.
How much port area is this right now, do you know?
420.
420. Wow. What'd you meter?
It does a 59.2 sealed on the dash.
Almost a 60.
Yeah,
almost a 60. Nice. What peak was that at?
This song is 28.
28? Okay.
Yeah, that real low note's a 28. Temp sensor for that's on my amps. That's my subs. And then that's my voltage. And then the very bottom number is the quickest drop. Then I got all my switches in the channel.
Yes, sir. It looks really good, man.
Subscribe to my channel, Jacob Viral, for daily
You might go off and do a demo real quick. Alright. I'm gonna get in real quick. Did you want a hair trick? Double hair trick.
Triple hair trick.
Triple hair trick. Oh, there you go.
Relax, you're about to get rustified.
Go ahead and give this video a like if you're enjoying the video.
Awesome, man. Thank you for the demo.
No problem. Guess what?
Huh?
Gotta cool down!
Be sure to be subscribed to my channel, Jacob
Thank you for the hair trick. Awesome hair trick. What was your name?
Zebra.
Zebra. Alex, all right.
Yep. Built by Roth Wismar. We're from Ohio, Massillon, Ohio.
Oh, I've seen your build. I've seen it on Facebook. Appreciate it, man.
Glad you actually got to finally hear it.
Oh, yeah, that was awesome. Appreciate it. Yeah, it was solid.
so the motherfucker know it's me, bitch, boy. Some D's on that bitch. Will fall a lot of then after we hit the club. Wait a minute, motherfucker. Bitch,
Go ahead and give this video a like if you're enjoying the video.
some D's on that bitch. Baby, you're right. Needless to say, I'll keep it on jack.
Be sure to be subscribed to my channel Jacob Viral for daily car audio videos.
What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Viral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.